In this video, I'll show you how to enable call reporting in Google Ads so you can track the phone calls generated from your ads. Call reporting helps you understand which campaigns, ads, and keywords are driving real customer calls, giving you better insight into how your ads are performing. Start by opening your Google Ads account and looking at the left-hand menu. Click Admin, then select Account Settings. This section controls settings that apply to your entire account rather than just a single campaign. Inside the Account Settings page, find the Call Reporting option, open it, and switch the setting on. Enabling this allows Google Ads to capture useful call details such as call start time, duration, and the caller's area code, and link that data back to the ads that generated the call. This information can help you evaluate call quality and identify which ads are driving valuable phone interactions. Keep in mind that call reporting tracks call data but does not record the content of calls. In some regions, Google may use forwarding numbers to connect calls with your ads for reporting purposes. Once the setting is enabled, your account will begin collecting call reporting data as your ads receive calls. Subscribe for more practical Google Ads tutorials.